Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Superwowstyle. This is Prachi and today we are going to talk about retinol. So I get a lot of questions on my channel, right? Prachi, should I use retinol? How to use retinol? Is it effective? Well, let me tell you guys, retinol is definitely very potent, very effective, and it's not one of your random ingredients which you can just start using on your face. There is a specific way to start introducing retinol into your skin, how to use it, and there are some ingredients that you simply cannot use on your skin when you're using retinol. Okay, so that's what we'll be talking about today. Basically what retinol does is, like, skin aging has become a very real concern these days. A lot of people even in their early 20s have started seeing smile lines, light wrinkles, or I think it's just because it's primarily because of our lifestyle, right? Lifestyle, pollution, food habits, things like that. Then of course sun damage, because of which you often get dark spots, pigmentation. The skin just starts looking really bad. So retinol is something which can help you in dealing with all of these things. So the retinol serum which I have here with me is a 0.3% retinol serum for spotless skin. It's from the Derma. Retinol basically helps to minimize the pores while also minimizing new breakouts, which helps in smoothing and refining the skin texture. It effectively fades dark spots, sunspots, and hyperpigmentation, and also evens out skin tone. This serum also contains vitamin C. Like you all know, vitamin C is absolutely fantastic because it evens the skin tone, brightens the complexion, and also helps to reduce wrinkles, hyperpigmentation, and aid in wound healing. Glycerin allows the skin to retain moisture. It increases skin hydration, relieves dryness, and refreshes the skin's surface. It leaves the skin soft and supple. These ingredients work in perfect harmony to give your skin the best results of retinol. So retinol in itself, if used with these other two ingredients, actually is far more effective than just any serum which only contains retinol and a bunch of other things. So guys, the deal with retinol is that, okay, first things first, if you're using retinol for the first time, instead of going for a 0.3% retinol serum, I know 0.3% sounds very less, but for retinol is actually a lot. So if you're using retinol for the first time, start by using 0.1% retinol serum. Okay, so what I'll do is, there is a very similar variant of 0.1% retinol serum by the same brand, the Derma. I'll put the link for that also in the description box below, along the 20% off code which you can use across website for 20% off. So start with a 0.1% retinol serum. Use it once in every 3 nights. Okay, every night, just apply it once at night and only once in 3 nights. So start by applying once in 3 nights, then again once in 3 nights, and gradually include this into your skincare routine. See how your skin is behaving. Let your skin get used to retinol, and then once the skin has gotten more used to retinol, that's when you can switch to the 0.3% retinol serum, which is obviously because of the higher concentration of retinol, it is more powerful and far more useful. But start with 0.1% first. This is very important, guys, and of course always do a patch test. Now using retinol serum is very easy. You just have to wash your face, apply it, and then just lock it in with a moisturizer, because you're talking about a serum. And which products to use well when you're washing your face. By the way, guys, before I move ahead, all the products I'm using today are from the same brand, the Derma. The Derma is a fantastic brand, guys. If you already know about the Derma, you can just switch ahead to this part of the video to know about the routine. The Derma is basically a wonderful brand because first of all, it's designed by dermatologists. So they really know what they are doing. It's extremely safe, extremely effective. All the ingredients have been put in place very well. And it's a very clean, honest brand. Like, if you look at the ingredient list, like, it's not like they're just calling it a retinol serum as a marketing gimmick, which a lot of other brands do. When you see the name itself, it mentions 0.3% retinol serum. So just by the name itself how much retinol are you actually opting for, which makes it again extremely safe, extremely effective, extremely trustworthy. And overall, I really like the brand philosophy also, because they stand for living life without filters. They're not trying to cover up your flaws, give you a temporary fix like most beauty products and things that we use these days try to do. They actually try to help fix your skin problems so that you can actually love the skin that you're born with and enjoy your skin without filters. So I love the idea of living your life without hiding behind filters, being happy in your own skin. So I think that is what this brand does, and I really like their philosophy as well. Plus it's a made in India brand. Anyways, if you want to know more, like I said, right, all the links and everything will be in the description box below. Now going back to the routine, well, starting with the cleanser, make sure that you're using a very gentle cleanser. So the cleanser that I'm using here is a creamy cleanser which is also safe for sensitive skin. It's designed to clean and hydrate the skin, and it's a fragrance and soap free formula. This is such a fantastic cleanser, guys. I've actually been using this a lot myself as well, because my skin tends to be really dry. This is something which can be used very well by those people who have dry skin as well. It's a very nice soap free, fragrance free, very gentle formula. And while washing your face, guys, just want to mention one more thing, a very important tip. Please do not use any face washes or any beauty products which contain AHAs and BHAs. Okay, so no chemical exfoliants on your skin while you're using retinol serum. Also, stay away from any beauty product which contains benzoyl peroxide. It's also a good idea to not use any DIYs on your skin while you're using retinol. Okay, so these are just important things, some important things which I wanted to mention. So yes, like I just said, first step is cleaning your face with a gentle cleanser like the one that I just showed you. Then take your retinol serum. So you just have to take like a pea-sized amount and then just pat it gently into your skin, avoiding the eye area, of course, corners of your eye, eyelids, under eye, and of course, the lips. Allow the product to fully absorb into the skin. This will hardly take a few seconds really, and then follow it up with the ceramide moisturizer which I have here. It's really good because it's extremely gentle and it also locks the moisture, keeping the skin hydrated for a really long time. So that's all you have to do. Just clean your face, apply the serum, and then moisturize your skin with a nice, gentle and a good moisturizer. The ceramide moisturizer, I have talked about this before on my channel. It's really effective. So when you start using retinol serums on a regular basis, this is what basically happens, okay? So I'll quickly tell you, the Dermaco's 0.3% retinol serum, it's a potent formulation. So essentially that makes it an anti-aging formula for spotless skin and gentle exfoliation. Yes guys, gentle exfoliation. It helps to even and brighten the skin tone, and this is something which I have personally experienced too. And believe it or not, guys, this 30 ml bottle of retinol serum actually contains enough vitamin A that you would find in 90 carrots. Okay, that is how much vitamin A it actually contains. So obviously, when you add that much of vitamin A into your skincare routine, you will see multiple levels of difference happening to your skin, and like I just mentioned, right? So guys, what I'll do is, like I said, I'll put the link in the description box below. If you want, when you go on the website, by the way, they also have this questionnaire where you can actually get a skin assessment done. They'll ask you some questions and you can actually find out what your skin needs, and they will also recommend some products for your skin accordingly. So you can check that section out as well if you want to. And yeah, that's about it, guys. If you have tried out retinol on your skin before, let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been. If you have tried out any products from this brand before, because I really like this brand. It's a very scientific, sensible brand, and I really like the products that they're designing. It's very nice. So let me know in the comment section below how your experience has been, and if you have any queries. While writing your comments, also don't forget to go up and hit like this video, subscribe to the channel, guys, turn the bell icon for notifications, and keep coming back to Superwowstyle for more. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye. Bye.